Hi, I am Peter Wang, Managing Director of Hi-Res. I would like to share a new technology called Magic Blinds where we can replace the traditional curtains and blinds for our windows, partitions, bathrooms and ceilings with automated blurring of the see-through display. You can see how easy to use this technology and how this can help to reduce the time and cost in maintaining current traditional curtains, blinds etc. This is simply a brand new technology with you can implement in hotels, resorts, offices and any other places you can think of. And you can easily save lots of money in the long term. Watch this video until the end, so that you can see how useful Magic Blinds is for you.
难道不对吗？
往里面一放就可以了呀，这就上下拉都是
它要全紧的，好像要。
这样你看，你如果这样插进去了，这样不亮。
对，这样会有电。
对，这样更不了。
我先插两个上去。
Hope you have enjoyed the demos. Please contact me directly at the phone number or email below if you want to know more.